Two men starting at the same point walk in opposite directions for 4 meters, turn left and walk another 3 meters. What is the distance between them? So if this is the point, one starts walking this way and another in the opposite directions, and this is 4 meters, also this is 4 meters. Then he turned left and walked 3 meters. He also turned left and walked 3 meters. So we need to find this distance, this total distance. So as this is right triangle, so it will be 90 degree, it will also be 90 degree. So if we apply Pythagorean formula, then we will find, if we consider this as A and this B, so A square equal to 4 square plus 3 square, so it will be 25. So A will be 5 and B will also be 5 applying this, so B is also 5. So the total distance is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the simplest method we can do. We can also solve this by applying coordinates. For example, if this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is our point 0, 0. Now as in this direction the value of x is negative, so the coordinate will be -4 and -3, and it will be 4, 3. So now if we want this distance, we can write, so we give this value A and B, so AB will be root over -4 whole square plus -3 whole square. So it will be 8 minus 8, 64 plus 36, so it will be 100 and it will be 10. So we can do it in either way.